This presentation will guide you through the dual enrollment process in AP Senior English at Creighton Prep this year. Students in our class have the option to take the course for college credit at UNO. My name is Elaine Ayers, one of the senior AP English teachers, and I'll be explaining how to receive college credit in English. Our dual enrollment program has changed recently. Prior to this year, students could also dual enroll at Creighton University to receive college required credits. This year, Creighton has a new curriculum and new graduation requirements. Unfortunately for us, they no longer have a required freshman literature course. So Creighton no longer offers required credit for our senior AP class. Usually the aim of dual enrollment courses is to take care of graduation requirements prior to entering college. This year, this is only possible through dual enrollment at UNO. The good news is that dual enrolling through our class at UNO provides a substantial tuition savings over UNO's standard tuition and fees. Just remember, if you dual enroll, whatever grade you earn in English this year will appear on your college transcript. And if you attend the University of Nebraska system, it will count toward your college grade point average. So give this class your best effort. UNO's freshman English course is Introduction to Genre Studies, examining categories of literature like poetry, drama, short stories, and novels. UNO's course costs $250 per semester, which includes the cost of the AP exam if you choose to take it. UNO will have a representative meet with our classes next week to orient you with their registration process. Typically, the registration deadline is in late September, and the UNO representative will provide you with this year's registration dates. If you have any questions about dual enrollment in English, see me at school or contact me through email at eayer@prep.creighton.edu. I'll do my best to help you. Good luck with your dual enrollment decision and have a great senior year.